Yeah, go Weber High School. Woo! Yeah, we're back. So finishing up 1.5. So at the very end here, we've got a few problems that are a little bit different than we're used to. And so those problems need to rationalize the denominator, because you can't have a radical in the bottom, right? And so what we're going to do is we're going to, for example, number 23, we're going to times it by radical 2 in the bottom. And if you do it to the bottom, you have to do it to the top. And so you end up getting 8 times radical 2, which is just 8 radical 2. But in the bottom, look, we got rid of the radical. 2 times 2 is 4. And the square root of 4 is 2. So that goes there. And then we can reduce it more, because we can then divide by 2, divide by 2. And so 8 divided by 2 is 4. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we just get 4 radical 2. Nice. But what do you do for like 24? Here's a hint for you. What do you do when you have a number plus a radical? So you actually have to multiply that to get the middle terms to cancel out. You have to multiply it by the same thing, but instead of 5 minus radical 3, you have to multiply it by 5 plus radical 3, right? And if you do it to the bottom, you have to do it to the top. Because you can multiply anything by 1 over 1. And why don't we change 1 over 1 into 5 plus radical 3 over 5 plus radical 3. And so go to multiply that through. And then go to multiply this through like a seashell. And so after you multiply those through, you'll get your answer. Just simplify everything. Last but not least is our ACT questions. Sammy has a bag of candy containing 4 strawberry, 8 mango, and 6 grape. So that's 4 plus 8 plus 6. So that's 18. If Sammy randomly selects 1 candy from the bag, what is the probability this candy will be a grape? Well, we have 6 grape total. So the probability of being a grape is 6 out of, and then 18 total. So 18 total candies, fruit. I was going to say fruit, but it's candy. And then 6 grape. And then what does that reduce to? Can we reduce that? Can we reduce that? And what does that reduce to? So divide by 6, divide by 6. And so when we do that, we get 1 over 18 divided by 6 is 3, 1/3. Okay, you pause me. You try the next one on your own. Try the next one. Number 209 is the product of the prime numbers 11 and 19. Knowing this, what is the prime factorization of 4,180? That's crazy, right? Not too bad. We're definitely going to have 11 and a 19 in it, which is all of them. So what you're going to do is you're going to take 4180, use your calculator, and you're going to divide. You're going to divide that. So we're going to go ahead and divide out the 19 and divide out the 11 and see what's left. So 4180, we're going to divide out the 19. Okay, what else do we have left? Divide out the 11. And so we're down to 20. So then we have 19 times 11 and 20. And so now you just need to see what 20 factors into, right? So I want you to break it down as much as possible, and then you'll get your right answer. So break down 20 as much as possible. So you behind the screen, thanks for watching. Let's go.